as I take on the challenge of helping kids navigate their feelings in a fun way. Welcome to Emotionsville. Having emotional intelligence is like having a superpower. It means we can understand and manage our feelings and be kind to others too. Emotional intelligence is important for kids because it helps them make friends, solve problems, and feel happy and confident. In Emotionsville, we will explore our feelings through fun games and creative activities. We'll learn how to express our feelings using art, storytelling, and even music. Through these activities, we'll discover that it's okay to feel a variety of emotions. We'll also practice strategies to help us cope when we feel overwhelmed. Together, we'll build a community where everyone feels safe to share their feelings. As we embark on this journey, we'll celebrate our progress and the unique emotions that make each of us special. So get ready for an adventure filled with laughter, learning, and lots of emotion exploration. Together, we'll unlock the secrets of our hearts and minds, making every emotion a part of our adventure. Welcome to Emotionsville, where every feeling is valued and understood. Let's embark on this exciting journey together and turn our emotions into our greatest strengths. You know how sometimes kids get really angry, sad, or worried, and they don't know what to do with those feelings? Maybe they throw toys, stomp their feet, or even cry themselves to sleep. These big emotions can be hard to handle, especially when they feel like they're taking over. Anger can make kids lash out at their friends or family members, and sadness can make them feel lonely and left out. Anxiety can make them worry about things that might not even happen and make it hard to sleep or focus in school. Sometimes these feelings can be so strong that they make kids want to run away or hide. They might even feel like they're all alone, like nobody understands them. But the truth is, everyone feels these emotions, sometimes even grown-ups. It's just that we've learned some tricks to help us deal with them. By sharing our feelings and talking about them, we can start to understand them better. We can turn our sadness into creativity, channeling it into art or writing. We can transform our anger into energy for fun activities like sports or dance. And when we feel anxious, we can practice calming techniques like deep breathing or mindfulness. Kids might think they're the only ones who feel this way, but it's important to know that they're not alone. Let's talk about some friends who live in Emotionsville. There's Happy Hannah, who loves to play and have fun. There's Angry Andrew, who gets frustrated when things don't go his way. There's Sad Sally, who feels blue when she loses something special. And there's Anxious Alex, who worries about what might happen next. Each of these friends can help kids recognize and express their own feelings. Maybe they see a little bit of themselves in Happy Hannah, or they feel like Angry Andrew when they get mad. Maybe they've felt as sad Sally, or as worried as Anxious Alex. These friends can help kids understand that it's okay to feel these emotions and that they're not alone. By talking about their feelings, kids can learn that sharing emotions makes them stronger. When they connect with others, kids discover they are part of a community that cares. Through these friendships, they find comfort and reassurance in knowing they are not alone in their feelings. As they navigate their emotions together, kids learn valuable lessons about empathy and kindness. In Emotionsville, everyone shares a special bond, always ready to lend a hand when someone feels down. Happy Hannah stands at the center, her bright smile radiating warmth as she encourages everyone to take a deep breath and focus on the positive. Angry Andrew, with his fiery red hair, demonstrates how to take a moment away from the situation to cool down and collect thoughts. Sad Sally steps forward, her gentle demeanor offering comfort as she encourages everyone to express their feelings openly and seek support when needed. Anxious Alex takes a deep breath, motivating everyone to embrace courage and try out new experiences, even when they feel scared. Imagine you're playing with your best friend at recess and someone takes your favorite toy. You might feel angry, right? But instead of lashing out, you take a deep breath and remember what Angry Andrew taught you. You count to 10, allowing your emotions to settle before approaching the situation calmly. Then you talk to your friend about how you're feeling, expressing your emotions honestly. Or maybe you're feeling sad because you lost your favorite book. The heavy weight of disappointment settling in your chest as tears threaten to spill. You might feel like crying, but then you think about what Sad Sally would do, remembering her wise words on coping with loss. You talk to a grown-up about how you're feeling, their understanding smile reassuring you that it's okay to express your emotions. They help you find a way to fix the problem, guiding you through the process of healing and discovery. You might even find a new book that you love just as much as the old one, a spark of joy igniting within you as the pages come alive. That's using emotional intelligence too, recognizing your feelings and taking steps to turn them into something positive. Emotional intelligence is like having a special tool to help you navigate your feelings and make good choices, empowering you to understand both your emotions and those of others. It helps you be kind to others, make friends, and feel happy and confident, creating a ripple effect of positivity in your life. Thanks for joining me in Emotionsville today. What do you think about emotional intelligence? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about feelings or friendships, be sure to check out our next video. Emotional intelligence is key to understanding ourselves and others better. It helps us navigate relationships and respond to challenges with grace. By developing emotional intelligence, we can enhance our communication skills and build stronger connections. Embracing our emotions allows us to foster a more compassionate and understanding community. So let's take a moment to reflect on our own emotional journeys.